Hi, I'm Vince LaViolette, Vice President of Operations for Shelby American here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Real excited to show you guys the new 2024 F-150 off-road truck. You know, this is a bad boy right here. All new design, new suspension, bigger supercharger. We're ready to rock and roll this year. You notice a lot of things that kind of tie us into the Shelbys. Nice mesh grille in the front. We're bringing air in, we're evacuating air out, just like we normally do on all of our cars. Make sure everything has function. We did a 22-inch alloy wheel with a 35-inch tire. Now, you know, on an off-road truck, we wanted to kind of do a nice balance. We wanted this to still be, you know, a nice truck on the road, but yet we still wanted to give you plenty of performance off-road. So the BF Goodrichs really do that. The truck really performed well. It all comes down to the suspension. We got the Fox 2.5 internal bypass with the highs and low switches, so you can actually adjust your suspension to where it rides real nice on the street, or you want to go off-road and really have some fun. Gives you just a little bit of variation to where you can do, you know, what you want with the truck. We really wanted a truck that ran good on the street, but yet actually off-road, it really shined, which this truck really does. So we look at the height of the truck. We're running a BDS 3-inch lift kit on this truck. Gives it a very nice stance, not too high, high enough to where it gives it that nice 4x look. You know, not only that, we're not gonna have any tire rub or anything. It's just a really nice, well-balanced package. Nice rock guards on the side. Not only a rock guard, but an integrated side step that comes down when you get in. Make it easier for the family to go ahead and load inside. And look at the side right here. This one here has got nice black stripes on black, kind of a neat look. 785 horsepower. Very excited about that. Where does that come from? Under the hood of this bad boy, we've got a 5.0 with a 3.0 Whipple supercharger on it, custom fuel injectors on it. We did a nice cold air system with carbon fiber tubes on the front, 50 state legal. You know, it's very exciting, you know, to be able to come out with a truck with this much horsepower, 50 state legal. You look at the back right here, we got a nice tonneau cover that goes across the back, color-coded to the truck. And underneath, we got a nice Borla dual exhaust system that runs out the back. You look inside the truck here, carbon fiber accents, full leather Shelby interior in there, back seat redone, nice Shelby mats underneath, and then the all-important CSM badge on the center console right there, so everybody can see that it's a true Shelby. Just a very exciting truck. A lot of really neat things happening this year at Shelby. The price on these things are right around $140,000. You can buy them at any authorized Ford dealership. We're gonna do about 800 of them this year. So just go on down, ask about them, and see if you can get one of these bad boys in your garage.